Ready to dive into the wild world of crypto and build your own exchange? It's a complex but potentially rewarding journey, so let's break down the key steps. First, nail down your target market. Different countries have different regulations. Research KYC and AML requirements for your chosen jurisdictions. Ignoring this is a recipe for legal disaster. Next, choose a robust trading engine. This is the heart of your exchange, matching buy and sell orders. You can build your own or use existing solutions, each with its own cost-benefit trade-offs. Integrate secure wallet management. Protecting user funds is paramount. Implement multi-factor authentication, cold storage, and rigorous security audits to prevent theft. Design a user-friendly interface. Make it easy for users to navigate, deposit, withdraw, and trade. A clean, intuitive design is crucial for attracting and retaining customers. Decide on your development approach. Custom-built offers flexibility but is expensive and time-consuming. White-label solutions are faster and cheaper but less customizable. Weigh your options carefully. Be prepared for significant costs. Development, security audits, legal compliance, and marketing all add up. Create a detailed budget and secure adequate funding. Assemble a skilled team. You'll need developers, security experts, legal counsel, and customer support. Building a successful exchange requires a diverse range of expertise. Security, compliance, and user experience. Focus on those three key aspects, and you are well on your way to launching your own cryptocurrency exchange.